Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am stuffing my envelopes for the week. I have 475, I believe, over here that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. And I'm actually going to first start off in my wallet and take the money out that I didn't spend this week. So let's see how much I have left over. I have a little bit left over this week. So in spending, I have $2 left over. This is going to go into some savings challenges, so I'm going to put this off to the side. Eating out, $5, $6, $7, $8 left, so that's going into savings challenges. Groceries, actually don't have anything this week left over, so nothing to roll over into Costco. Coffee, I don't have anything either. And then buffer, I have $1 left. This is probably like the least amount I've had left, but at least I have money left over. Actually, let me see how much I have. $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 left over. And I think I started off the week with $170 in my wallet. Okay, so now I'm gonna just restuff these. So spending is getting $30 this week. 30. Eating out is getting $30. Groceries is getting $80, so $50, $70, $80. Coffee is getting $20. And buffer is getting $10. So that's 5, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that is my wallet for the week. All right, now going into my binders, I have the black binder up first. So auto repair this week is getting $10. So I have $20, $35 in auto repair. 35. Christmas is getting 10. Now on Christmas, I already have 500 in the bank. So in cash, I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, plus 500 is 565 in Christmas. My goal for this one is 720 this year. Almost there. Electronics is getting $10. So now I have 10, 25, 25. Emergency, 25. Emergency is getting 20 this week. So in the bank, I already have a 1,500 in the bank. And then in cash, I have 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 245, 46, 47, 48. So 248 in cash plus 1,500 is 1,748 in emergency. 1,748. Extra debt this week is getting 20. So now I have 20, 40, 65, which is this is just savings. I don't have any more debt, but this is just savings. Extra savings. 65. Furniture is getting 5. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43 in furniture. Rainy day is getting 10, and that's all rainy day has. Registration is fully funded, so that one's good. Road trip is getting $5 this week. And road trip now has 20, 40, 55, $55 in road trip. 55. Scentsy is getting $5. So that's 20, 40, 55 in Scentsy. Subscriptions is getting 5 as well. So I have 100, 10, 20, 25, 125 in subscriptions. 125. And then Treat Yourself this week is getting 20. And I already have 500 in the bank. So in cash, I have 200, 250, 300, 320, 40, 50, 51. So 351 in cash plus 500 is 851 total. I'm saving for another handbag from this envelope, so still got a bit to go, but getting there. All right, so that one is all done. The black binder is all done. Now I'm going to go into the white binder next. Okay, so beauty this week is getting $10. So I have 10, 15, 20, oh, sorry, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 in beauty. Clothing this week is getting 5. So now I have 50, 70, 80, 90, 90, wait. 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Almost skipped my 5. So $100 in clothing. Content is getting 5 as well. So I have 20, 30, 5, 40, 41, 42 in content. Costco this week is getting 15. I'm actually going to go to Costco this week because I have to go pick up pastries for my coworkers. And so I figure since I'm already there, I'll probably pick up a couple things with 20 or 10, 20, 25, 30 plus some grocery money because $30 is not a lot for Costco. But yeah, we'll see. I can get some like I know I need some broccoli, like frozen broccoli. So I might pick up a bag of that and then something else. Disney this week is getting 15. I'm actually going to Disney on Monday and also the following weekend. So yeah, I'll be spending this soon. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 91, 5, 10. So 110 in Disney. 110. Family this week's getting 20, and that's all family has. Fun is also getting 20 this week. So I have 20, 35, 40, 45. And fun. Gifts is also getting 20, so this is all Gifts has. And hobbies is getting 5. I only have $2 in hobbies, so that's $7 in hobbies. Holiday decor, I'm sorry, holiday decor is fully funded, so I'm not adding to that one. Home decor is getting 5. So now I have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37 in home decor. Household is getting 5. Oops. So household has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in household. 14, and then Target is getting 10. And that's all Target has. Perfect. 10. All right, and that's the white binder. Now I'm going to go to the pink binder next. All right, so we have Go Wild. This week is getting 15, so that's 10 and a 5. And I've been meaning to change this, just haven't had time. So 15. I already have 500 in the bank. So that's 10 and a 5. All right, so in cash I have 1, 2, 300, 320, 30, 40, 45, 50. So 350 plus 500 is 850. Total for this envelope. 850. All right, now moving on to my savings challenges. I'm gonna first start off with the Power Up. Get that one out of the way. I'm putting $4 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one's getting 4. add that to the back. Okay, so I added 4, check that one off, did that one. And then the next I have the 52 circles, which this week is getting $6. Let me pull all this out. 5 and 6. I realized I didn't do like extra ones for myself. I didn't plan to put one for ones in my cash planning, but that's okay for my $1 little challenge, because I have a bunch of ones here. So those will be added into that challenge. But I'm gonna put $6 in here. Oh, I'm not gonna count it. I'm just gonna put it in. Let me get my markers. Put this back too, so I don't lose it. All right, so marker. Just gonna color in the 6. Alrighty, that one's all done with $6 in here. Okay, so I added 6 in there. Perfect. All right, and then I have the $10, oh, you know what, 100 envelope. That's what I'm gonna do next. All right, so 100 envelope. I planned on doing 5, but I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do, let's see what I have. Okay, so I have 5, or I can do, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do I have 11? No, I want to keep some ones. So maybe I'll just do 7. I'll do 7. So 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7's getting filled in. And then I will color in the little tracker later. I just like to do that in a reel or short. Okay, so that's 7. So I actually put 7. So I'm just going to check this, but put 7. I didn't do 5, I did 7. I'm trying to be better about documenting it, that little change on my sheets, because I always forget to do that. All right, so then I'm left with the $10 savings challenge and then the $5 savings challenges and then ones. So I have 110. I'm only gonna color in one little hat on this adorable little piggy. So let me get my marker. Actually, oop, falling everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna color in one little hat here. Very nice. Let that dry just a little bit. Okay, so that one gets the 10 this week. And the 10 here. All right, then the $5 is getting, did I mess up somewhere? No. I think I messed up somewhere. Oh, no, I didn't. Extra 5, extra 5. Oh my goodness, I thought I messed up somewhere. Okay, so this is gonna get, this was the 5 from my wallet. That's what it was. Okay, because I was like about to freak out. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, that's right. All right, so I'm just gonna put, well, I'm gonna put these 3 5s then into this challenge right here, the $5 challenge. So I'm gonna color in 3 5s, the blue pen. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so I actually put 15 into this challenge, so 15 instead of 10. And then last is the dollar challenge. I planned 0, so I'm gonna do $1, $2, $3, $4 into the dollar challenge, which is just collecting dollars. All right, everything worked out. Everything's perfect. Everything's great. No mistakes. How much did I put? $4? I think that's what I did. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as I cash stuffed for the week. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.